Yo, it's at a new beginning of a new month, and I'm ready to, start adult marketing still every single month. And here we are, first day of the month, and I want to talk to you guys about how to find freaking offers, okay? Like high converting offers. So let's look at some. Actually, let's just select all by deselecting these ones, okay? So let's just apply the filter and delete, 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 delete. Okay, so let's find some great offers for you. This is how you find good offers on Crackrevenue, guys. Crackrevenue is one of the best CPA marketing platforms out there by far. I mean, they're like at the highest level, best organization, best layout, best paying, best freaking everything. Okay, I mean, they have the best support. And these offers right here, right off the bat, I mean, I made a lot of money with these offers. These offers convert. The smart link is really good if you know what you're doing. I have a whole video coming out about that. I don't know if it already came out. I really don't know anymore. I'm just kind of making these videos for fun. Okay, so here's the thing. Jerkmate, biggest freaking offer out there ever. It's very saturated. The only way you could promote this is just with free traffic, making content, and then just uh, linking to it. Okay, because it's already so saturated. You just want to organically to have people. You don't want to pay for traffic that's already opted in type stuff. Okay, if you look at the data behind it, you know that it's huge. Okay, so the other thing is this one. This is a new offer. Great offer, freaking fantastic offer, and they pay a good payout. Okay, so that's good. This one right here is good. You kind of want to do this one as well with organic traffic. Okay, this is paid traffic, fantastic right there. Smart links you do want to do paid traffic with. Usually pop under traffic for smart links. Okay, that's kind of how you do that. This one right here, pay per sale. This can absolutely work with paid traffic, but this is kind of, I would want to do free traffic with this one for sure. Kind of like go to dating sites, pretend I'm someone else, like some hot chick, and then I basically do a bunch of chats back and forth with random people and say, hey, go check me out over here type thing. Okay. Same with this one right here, this one right here, this one right here, all of these ones. You don't really want to do paid ads with these ones. You want to do organic. Okay. You'll crush it. Okay. People just don't know how to promote offers. And I'm telling you right now, it took me a long time to just know the right answers to all this stuff. I've made money doing paid ads to this. Okay. But the thing is, free traffic will do even better. Okay. Just because people have already gotten advertised to this stuff like crazy. Okay. Now, to find good opportunity offers, you want to basically see everything there is offered to you. Okay. So you kind of want to just click through everything. Okay. This is how you find good offers. And you literally need to spend a few hours to find good offers. That's how it's done, man. The offers that aren't here, okay, there's opportunity where the offers are not there. Okay. There's a lot of stuff. Okay. Let me explain the categories then in this case. So the verticals, adult gaming usually can do good with paid traffic, but you can see a lot of success with free traffic for sure. It's got to build it up. If you do a whole entire, let's say you make a YouTube channel, for example, talking about adult games or something, you link to adult games, but you have to have a bridge page in between, okay? You have a bridge page in between, then you link to all these games. That can work. You film yourself being funny, playing the games, okay? Just be funny and silly, and then link to the games, okay? And you will make money. Make sure you blur stuff out, I'm sure, is the case. I don't know about that. I mean, I don't do that stuff. I do promote some adult offers, but I promote the biggest offers out there. I like to promote mainstream offers, though, that are outside adult, but I use adult traffic. Does that make sense? Okay. So I stay away from all the nudity stuff mainly. Okay. But if I do find that one of the top offers out there, I'll just grab the link and just promote it. You don't have to see anything bad. Okay. At all. Okay. Now, the next thing to explain is adult pay site VidOD. Now, this does well with paid traffic for sure. Okay. There's a lot of offers like this. Let's see what's available here. Okay, they didn't sort. It didn't sort by it, so we have to re-click it. All right, here we go. There's one. This is one of the biggest offers out there. If you use an adult spy tool to find offers, this offer crushes it. Okay, you could totally promote this. Make $25 per payout. Literally go and go to SimilarWeb and see what's working. Go to Adult Spy Tool, see what's working for other people. You can literally copy success with this offer right now. This is a hot offer. This is a big offer that converts really well. The next thing, apps. Let's look at apps and talk about that. Nope, they don't have any apps. Okay, I don't even check for that. So here we are. This one probably doesn't have anything, but let's see. Okay, background checks. This does well with free traffic talking about, hey guys, you want to have a background check on someone you may know or something, or you make just content, and the best way to make content is on YouTube. It'll get found forever and it'll last forever. But if you want to do a blog too, you can do that too, and you talk about, hey, you could share stories, you could share funny stories, and you could just talk to people about, hey, you want to figure out about someone's background check, and you basically promote these offers. Okay, you make $20 per freaking conversion. Okay, you can crush it with that. I wouldn't do paid traffic with this. I wouldn't. I really wouldn't do paid traffic with those. Beauty. Okay, here we are at the beauty. Beautiful, beautiful. Here we go. Beauty offers. This should be interesting. It won't even work. Okay, here we are. Okay, 0 offers. But what I was going to say about it is if you find a beauty offer, you could do female targeted traffic, or you could do even gay traffic, which I stay away from gay traffic, but you could totally do it. Skincare offers can work. I remember listening to a mentor about it, and he's like, yeah, you could totally convert freaking those type of things with gay traffic. It's kind of crazy. I was like, nah, I don't want to do that. I'll just stick with other stuff that can make money. Okay, this is crazy, right? So cams is probably the most common out there. In this scenario, I'd want to sort by EPC right off the bat and see the highest EPCs. I believe it was already sorted. Cam Soda is the highest payout one right now. Okay, so that's kind of how you look for them. Chatterbait, massive. I would actually go as far as, if you're a girl out there, you could do both of these and make money with these just using the platforms, and then also linking to Chatterbait for people to go through affiliate link and sign up, or sign up to be a content creator, or sign up to basically be add tokens or whatever the heck it is. Okay, it's kind of crazy to me how many people use these sites, these cam sites. I mean, I don't use these things like at all. I stay away from most of adult marketing. What attracts me about adult marketing is the fact it's so cheap. There's so much traffic. There's so much money to be made. It's mind blowing, man. Blows my mind. And this one pays $65. So this is a great offer. I would promote this, okay, with, it's kind of weird, okay, because it's a big offer right now, it's not too saturated, okay, and so you could basically do paid traffic with this right now. But in future, if anything's saturated cam wise, like I was talking about top offers here, you can simply just do free traffic methods, okay, for those, okay, like I talked about. Let's get rid of this. Let's talk about another vertical. Crypto, I doubt they have any, but sometimes they add it. Sometimes they add new stuff. They don't have anything right now. Okay, dating, definitely a big vertical. Dating sites for sure. I mean, most of their offers is this. They got 400, okay, out of 667 offers, I believe. Okay, so we're sorted by APC. This is the biggest one. This is for Spanish, okay, and Spain. This one right here, France, okay, right here, France, United States, right here. So it's like you have opportunities outside of United States to start promoting offers, guys. You literally have opportunities everywhere. I always tell people, if you want to make instant money with adult, just go to countries outside of the United States and just promote the offers that allow it, okay? And you could crush it with banner traffic and with pop under, okay? Pop under is different. I would honestly do pop under with SmartLink and just literally do worldwide. Okay, you guys can make a lot of money, just flip cash with that. And then optimize from there, figure it all out. Okay, I'm not going to give every secret out there, but I will tell you, pop under traffic plus a SmartLink global, because it's so cheap, and I mean, there's so many offers you can get redirected to and then monetize multiple different ways. It gets pretty insane, my guys. Okay, so this one's big offer, big offer, big offer. I mean, they all are big offers at the top. Big offer, but in general, sometimes some other offers can stand out. This offer, sometimes fetish or niche offers, I don't really like to even promote, but you can target keywords with Traffic Junkie. You can target exact keywords, guys. It gets pretty insane what you can do with advertising these days. Okay, nothing there for entertainment. Let's see, erectile dysfunction can work for sure. Paid traffic works very well at this. You just literally, you get in front of so many people, you tell them what there is that you're offering, and yeah, they'll go check it out and see if they want to buy. And it absolutely works. Absolutely works. Okay. Well, that's weird. Oh, niche. Okay. So here we are. Gambling. Doubt they have any, but sometimes they can have new offers. They don't have any there. Okay. Oops. Oops. Just kidding. Okay. Okay, they have no sweepstakes, no surveys, no Slack lead. Let's see. Mail enhancement is probably the only other one that has stuff. Okay. Because remember, dating had 400 something, which is most of the offers. So here we are. These offers crush. I've made a lot of money with these, and also over on the Sell Health platform. Okay, it basically has a bunch of offers that could work really good. Pill offers, Nutra offers, all this stuff. Okay, this is the biggest offer right here. Okay, volume pills. This is the biggest offer right now, guys. By the way, and I'm not getting 30%. I'm getting 40% on this on Sell Health platform. It's crazy. Okay, this offer's big as well. And this one I haven't tested very much of, but if at all, I haven't really promoted this at all. But if I were to, I would find out quickly. It's probably really converting really well. I haven't looked into it till looking at it just now. And its EPC is 84%. I mean, 84 cents. That's pretty good. This offer is the biggest for sure, but you can get higher commissions for sure on another platform than this. Okay. On Crackrevenue, I promote the biggest offers out there. I'm promoting this one right now like crazy. I'm promoting Smart Link like crazy. I've got other secret offers, but a lot of dating offers for sure. Okay. So I kind of showed you guys what's there, and there is a lot of opportunity here. Okay. There's a lot of money to be made in affiliate marketing and in the dating world, but you guys can absolutely crush it just literally doing offers in like the health or the wealth niches. You don't have to do love niches or dating niches or anything like this. You can crush it elsewhere. Okay. So this is a very powerful video. This is how you find freaking high converting flipping offers. Thank you so much for watching Learn Machines. Check out more value down below. If you want to get approved for Crackrevenue super quick, you can click through my link. It's in one of the links down below. You have to go to the site, then go to my site, then go click the link and go get approved. Okay. You'll get approved way faster, guaranteed. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.